In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client sub-account in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean workspace set up for your clients so you can manage funnels, automations, and communications without mixing anything with other accounts. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing in to your account dashboard. Make sure you're using your agency login and that you have the right permissions. If you're on a shared device, double-check you're logged into the correct profile before proceeding. Once you're in, confirm you're viewing the agency side of the platform, not an existing client area. You'll usually see an indicator or a switcher at the top of the interface. If you're inside a sub-account, switch back to agency view so you can create a new one. From the main dashboard in agency view, look for the section labeled sub-accounts. Click it to open the list of all client workspaces associated with your agency. This is where you'll manage, add, and access everything related to individual clients. In that sub-accounts area, click Add Account. This launches the creation wizard. You'll be asked how you want to build the account. Choose the option that fits your workflow. Start from scratch for a blank workspace. Use a snapshot if you have a pre-built template of funnels, automations, and settings you want to reuse, or import from another source if you're bringing assets in from elsewhere. Picking the right option here can save a lot of setup time later. Next, enter your client's details. Provide the business name along with a valid email, phone number, and address. Use the primary contact information your client prefers, and include the correct country code for phone numbers. Accurate details help with notifications, calendars, invoices, and location-based features. Before you create the account, configure the basic settings. Set the appropriate time zone and currency so scheduling, reporting, and billing line up with your client's region. Mismatched settings here can cause confusing appointment times and financial totals, so it's worth a quick review. Now click Create Account. GoHighLevel will generate the new client sub-account, and you'll see it appear in your list. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Open the new sub-account to access it. You're now working inside that specific client workspace, and any changes you make will apply only to this client. From here, start customizing. Build or import funnels, add contacts, and set up automations and other features your client needs. Establish the core pieces first, then iterate as you gather feedback. Thanks for watching, and happy building!